What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another motovlog. Today we are in Delaware riding at Snake Creek Motocross Park. I have never been here before, so it's going to be a fun day of learning a new track. Let's go see what this place looks like. Okay, looks like a perfect size table, another perfect size table, 3 tables in a row. That looks like a really fun rhythm. Double or triple, pretty beefy. Wow, big table, like that. I don't know if these are rollers or you're supposed to double them and jump them. Some of these sections are like crazy. Okay, table. A double/triple thing. I wonder if I'll be able to triple that today. We'll see. Coming all the way back to the track. Probably the biggest table there, longest one. Hell yeah, that was sick. Oh, tripling, that looks awesome. Steep landing on it though. This one's more intimidating than I thought. Oh, got that next lap. Case the shit out of it, just need to send it fully. And I gotta always remind myself, stand up in these soft, rutted sections. Perfect corner. Woo. Alright, third gear, just gonna seat bounce it, got it. No problem. Oh, I need to triple that. I have to slow down so much. Third gear, gotta send it next time. Man, I feel so sketchy. I also really don't like learning a track when I'm in front of other people. I feel like I'm in their way constantly. Let's see, is this guy hitting it? If he's hitting it, I'll follow him. Got it! Ah, I'm too scared for the rollers, dude. Stay third here, lean. Alright, let's get this rut. Stay third. Ah, I always fuck it up. Alright, you got this triple. Let's go. Yes! Alright, let's go. Holy shit, dude. Alright, so the main tabletop right in the middle, you gotta be going way faster than I think. And then the table after it, you have to like slam on the brakes because it shoots you up so high. Pretty technical. God, that was almost death. You have to be so perfect with where you're landing. I almost just wadded it off the track, hit that tree. Let's see how this guy does it. Is he gonna triple it? Oh, no, he's going that one. Yeah, and he's like absolutely wide open. Let's go. All right, he's tripling it. Yeah, I'm not touching it. That's a fancy GoPro you got there. Let's go! He's in the jeans on the 450. It's so bad. Why can't I do these freaking ruts? Oh my God, that is sketch. I don't like that triple in, dude. Jeez, dude. I gotta stop doing that. I keep forgetting which jump is which. This big table here is the best jump on the track. So much fun. Woo! Oh yeah! My buddies gave me a tip that I need to single and then double through those rollers. That works so much better. I felt like I actually knew what I was doing. It takes me a while to get up any sort of flow. I'm feeling it now, man. This is so sketch through those rollers every time. Holy moly. That corner is so fun. Same with that one. Alright, D-Rack. I need you to just go faster. Plow through that. Like, where do you even go? There we go. I just got so sketchy off that I was like leaning off that jump when I seat bounced it. Oh, whoa. Sideways, Bubba. This dude is hauling ass right now. The way he stands through that corner is sick. Why is he not tripling? God, that's sick. Woo! Oh. Woo! I just saw him whip it. There we go. Sort of got it. That one, I just need to lean more. Oh, there we go. Actually lean a little bit. I guess I did that okay, but when I tripled into that corner, I almost felt like I was gonna go over the berm, man. All right, Mel, let's go. You got this triple. Woo! Yanked. That's so sick. God, I wish I had the confidence to send this one. I don't think I can do this. This one, they keep telling me just hold it wide open. On the 300 two-stroke. Woo! 450 got so much power. God. All right, on that note, we're gonna call it a day. I really hope you guys enjoyed that motovlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.